It's understandable you get spots on your image, especially if you're an outdoor photographer. And if you can see just below this tree, we've got a heap of spots on the screen. I'll just zoom in. So, and see how we've got these spots? So they're dust spots on our sensor, and what we want to do is get rid of them. And one of the nicer tools to use is our little healing brush tool. So I'll just click on that, come over. We've got a good brush size. We probably want to make it a little bit softer by holding down the shift key and left bracket. That'll make it a little bit softer, and then we click on it. Oh, okay, so what happens here, it's asking us to hold down the Option or the Alt key and click on a source point because it's going to actually copy that across. So holding down the Option key and clicking. So you only have to do that once, and every time you do it now, it's just going to pick, it picked from back in that spot. What you can do is it's always going to choose from that spot. Let's click on Aligned. So if we click on Aligned, every time we click on the spot, it's going to be aligned, because it's a centimeter away with that image. So this can be quite time consuming, but it's worthwhile getting them out of your image. Thanks, guys.